So here we are, 10508 Hidden Pond. Let's take a look what's inside. Okay, so here it is, 10508 Hidden Pond Street out in the Northeast. Like you noticed, it's right in front of a community park, so that is definitely a plus. You got the green views without having to maintain the grass or watering. Inside you'll see it's 1898 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3-bath. So it's a very good size home. Something I like about this house a lot is that there's tile throughout. The only carpeting you'll find here is in the bedrooms, but everything else is the designer tile throughout, granite countertops. You have everything under one floor. The front and the back landscape have been already complete, so it's nice to be out in the front, just walking to the park, or you go out in the back and hang out with your friends, family, and privacy. There's another feature that this home has that you'll find unique is that the bedrooms are kind of zoned. That's what it's called. This house is a zoned home, where the master bedroom is in one section of the house and the bedrooms are in another section of the house. And in the front, there's a fourth room, which could be a bonus room, could be an office or play area, which is separate from the rest of the rooms. So you kind of have that division where you have a quiet in one area for the bedrooms, whether it's for small children or for guests staying over at the house, you have that separation. So here it is, 10508 Hidden Pond out in the hot neighborhood of Hidden Village in the Northeast. Let me know what you think. Hope to see you in the next video.